What's up guys, it's Drifts and Lifts here. Alright, so it is pouring rain right now, and what's a better way to spend your time on a pouring rain day than going for a street drifting sesh? So I figured that's what we'll do. Me and Scott are going to go out for a cruise. Cole's going to come with us and film. We're not going to go to the original spot. We're going to go to a couple different spots, namely the garbage drift corner that you guys would have seen in my last drifting video. This time in the rain. This is where the A-Tractor shines, is in the rain, because it is a non-turbo motor, so it only has 114 horse. Yeah, with no weight in the rear, and I put some new tires on it, so at least I don't have the bald slicks anymore. But yeah, in the rain, this thing is a great time. It is perfect, the perfect amount of power for the rain, in my opinion. You can still get it into third, fourth gear if you want. So yeah, we're gonna go for a rip. Make sure you guys check out my new online store. So it's on Teespring. The link's in the description of this video. So check that out. I got a couple new designs out, and I'm going to be bringing out some more designs in the future, pretty soon here actually. Yeah, we're going to go for a rip and should be a pretty good time. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, we are at the spot now. So this is the classic garbage drift corner. This is a beautiful place. And it seems we've come at a really good time, because there's only one thing down this road, and it's a Cheris camp, and it's closed right now. So there's no other people coming. Me and Cole got the walkie-talkies going, so if anybody is coming from this way, he'll let me know. And we're safe to sesh this spot, especially coming on the uphill. Huh. Yeah, I don't see any people coming up here, so this will be fun. Cole's gonna film from over there, and Scott and Cole peer pressured me into taking intakes of things into my lungs, and now I'm gonna drift. Now we're making progress. Oh, it's so cold right now. Driving this thing in the rain and cold is just like brutal. You're basically the same temperature as what it is outside. Here we go. We're gonna do some drifts. Poopy dick. Oh, it's loose. Dude, look at all the grass. That's what happens when you drift this spot. Because it's really moist. Everything's so moist around here. So we had our fun with this spot, so we were thinking of where to go next, and it's a little bit late to go to the parking lot farther down that way, so we're just gonna go to the classic spot, and me and Scott are gonna do some tandems because that's all we got. All right, do a burnout. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. In true Canadian fashion, it's always good to stop at the Tim Hortons when you're on your drift sesh. Get fueled up. I actually don't like Timmy's all that much, but it was on the way, so what can you do? And there we go. I'm back home now. So that was a really good session. Had a lot of fun. The A-tractor on the garbage drift corner in the rain is just perfect. It's the right length of corner, and this car has just enough power for that corner to be a lot of fun. So yeah, guys, lots of stuff to come to the channel soon. I know I've said that I'm going to be putting a turbo motor in the A-tractor. Now, that's still sort of my plan, but I also have a couple options that I got to choose from, and maybe you guys can help me out what you think's the best option. So if you look back at my channel and you've been, you've been a subscriber for a while now, you might have remembered I bought that black turbo manual wagon probably about 3 or 4 months ago now. And so yeah, it's been sitting at my parents' house, and it's Father's Day today. So I actually went over there and told him I'd get it out of his driveway for him. And yeah, so I actually fixed it, sort of. I mean, it's got a bunch of stuff wrong with it. But the main thing was the crank pulley. On 740s, the crank pulley is a two-piece with a rubber bushing in the middle of it. And basically the rubber just disintegrated, and the crank pulley was rotating, the two pieces of it were rotating separately. So when the crank was turning, it wasn't powering the accessory belts, so no power steering, no alternator, and no water pump, which was actually making the car get really hot. And when I drove it home from, the guy that I bought it off, it did overheat on me. And yeah, it wasn't running very good and stuff. So I went over there with my buddy's Impact, borrowed Scott's. Thanks, Scott, for the Impact lend. Yeah, so I hammered that off, got the new crank pulley on it, and it seems to have fixed the issue. So the car revs up and it acts normal now. So that is another option I can do. I could sell the A-tractor because, as you guys know, this thing is full of rust, and there's just so much rust in it. It's probably not going to last too much longer, like maybe a couple years. I could keep on, replacing the rust on it, but it's starting to go into the frame now. Down here you see a little bit. So I'm not too sure how long it's going to last, but I may sell this to one of my buddies. And I love the truck idea of a 740. I've had so much fun in this thing that I think I'm going to potentially turn that black wagon into a truck as well. But that time it already has a turbo motor in it, and so a little easier point to start from. It's a lot cleaner too. There's no rust, and I want to have a truck for a while, and I don't want to have to fix all the rust in this thing, and it's just going to be an absolute pain. So tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think I should do as far as decisions with the Volvos go. So I'll leave it at that. Also, make sure to check out my Teespring account. I'm selling shirts and stickers now to help support the channel. As you guys know, I'm trying to get Goldie back on the road, and I got property tax to pay on this house here and stuff, and I don't have a job, and YouTube doesn't pay too great, so I got to sell stuff on top of that to make extra money, right? So yeah, check that out. I'm going to be releasing a new design soon here. My buddy Davis Graham, check him out on Instagram. His name's Pencil Fingers. He's an incredible artist, and he does album covers for many famous rappers and stuff like that. He's been one of my best friends for ever since like grade 5 kind of thing. And he's going to design a really cool shirt for me. And it's going to be basically a beer can logo, but just all drifts and lifts decked out. I'm not going to release too much info about it now, but I'm just telling you guys right now it's going to be super sick. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, so like and subscribe for. Instead of me making it up today, I want you guys to give me the best like and subscribe for insert messed up Volvo quote here. So in the comments section, like and subscribe for Volvo mayonnaise, Volvo pubes, Volvo everything. So best comment I will use in the next video for the like and subscribe insert Volvo quote here. So that's that, guys. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.